Zich, Etruscan writing in Arezzo and the surrounding territory. Zich, the idea for an itinerary. In this experimentation of an innovative museum itinerary based on technological resources and in line with the development of communication and capable of receiving continuous updates and improvements, the choice was made to confront the theme of Etruscan writing. The introduction of writing in Italy, and above all with the Etruscans, was a revolutionary innovation mediated by the Greeks from the end of the 8th century BC. Developing and defining words by using written text brought important stimuli to the ancient Italian civilizations and contributed to the formation of urban societies like the Etruscans, who were amongst the most prominent in Italy before Rome's dominance. To this day, the Etruscans are part of our cultural and civil heritage. The association between the ancient texts and their interactive explanations will hopefully stimulate the observer to reflect on the confrontation between the contribution that the ancient form of communication gave to the Etruscan civilization in its history, and the mutations that the more innovative forms of communication are having on modern society. It is not by chance that the title of this exhibit is Zich, the Etruscan root word for the verb to write and the deriving words. This itinerary proposes a summary on the diffusion of writing practice in the Etruscan Arezzo territory. Among a total of around 125 well-known written texts, mostly now lost, dating between the 6th century BC and the 1st century AD, 16 texts have been selected to introduce us to the different writing uses and the general themes of the Etruscan society. Like the majority of Etruscan texts, around 13,000 well-known, the texts from Arezzo are quite brief. The knowledge of the Etruscan language is mainly thanks to texts of a private nature, mainly names of people. The archaeological and linguistic search has produced noticeable progress in the discovery of this language.